What's up guys, so welcome to the video. Today I'm doing a bike check in it. So if you come down here, I've got the where is it? Alex rims TA19. I don't know how much they're worth or anything. Like, I'm not gonna know much how much anything's really worth in this. I've got some these are 26 wheels. The Shimano's. I've got some Schwalbe CityJet. I think it's either 2.0 or 1x9.5 width. Got some nice rock shocks. So many people say to me that they're fake and stuff like that because of the colour, but I've taken the shock off, the casing off, sprayed them and bought new vinyl. And obviously I'm not going to have like all the writing and decal they come brand new with. So their lockout suspensions they're pretty good. I mean, they do me job well. They've got lockout on them. I've got some nice bar ends, whatever they are. Some Boardman lock-on grips. An SLX. If you come to here, I've got a full-on bars. They cost me 25, and my wake stem, it's not the greatest, but it does me well, and it's nice and short. Wake stems, I think it's about £7. I've got a SRAM 8-speed shifter, obviously Boardman lock-ons, Scott cap obviously, and then if we come to the main bike, I've got, it's a Scott, but once again people say this Scott's fake. It isn't. It's real Scott. It's just got vinyl all over it. So the writing used to be grey. Let me see if I can, if you come here you might be able to see that, and here the writing used to be grey, but obviously my colour isn't black and grey, it's black and blue. So obviously I put new vinyl on it, painted where there was access grey. I've got some DMR pedals, they're about £30 or so. Some regular Shimano cranks I've painted over it. Well, if we come up here, we got this seat, some really comfy old seat. I don't know the brand of it. If we come to the drive chain, I've got, this is my Shimano cranks, race face chain ring. It's a 32 tooth, I think. It's 1/8 gear ratio. Obviously the nice little plug, as you do. And then coming to the back, it's just my regular Shimano 8-speed cassette with these Alex rims TA19 with my Schwalbe CityJet tyres. I mean, dust cap and everything. I mean, it's not going to be the best video going, but it's not the best bike either. But obviously, it does me well, allows me to wheelie. I've had people come up to me and say, why don't I get fixed slicks, because they're wider and stuff, but to be honest, fixed slicks, they're like 40-50 pounds. These do just as well. They've got a bit of tread in them, which I like, because obviously when I'm going over dirt trails and stuff, they're not the greatest, but they still do me well with the slick and everything. Still whip around the corners and swerve well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, yeah.
Oi.
Didn't even scratch before, it's fucking hell. Wake up from my nut, obviously. Back on the straight line, isn't it?
Yo, what the fuck?